Good morning. Today, I'm going to read The Only One Thing to Do. Every day at recess, Sammy and his friends got together on the playground for kickball. The same six boys always played, and there were three boys on each team. One day, when it was time for recess, when Sammy went to get the kickball from the sports locker near the door, a girl named Marie already had it in her hands. "I need that ball," Sammy said. "So do I," Marie said. "I am going to play kickball with my friends." "So am I," Sammy said. "I guess there is only one thing to do," Marie told him. "I guess so," Sammy agreed. Then he grabbed the ball out of Marie's hand. "Run." "Hey!" Marie shouted after him. "That's not what I meant." Sammy stopped running and laughed. "I know," he said. "I was joking. Why don't we all play together?"